we are constantly trying to make improvements to Nelly.
So in this video, we're going to give you our top 6 upgrades for 2022. So the first thing, and we talked about this on another video, but this is the top 6 upgrades, so it has to be included in here. If you come right over here, over to our wet bay, you're going to see we have this little addition here. There's a Valterra Twist On additional SOAR valve. And why did we get this? If you look, we have our black and our gray. Couple things. Number one, when these are closed, you're always going to get some kind of seepage that winds up being in the end of this cap, which is really gross when you unhook it and there's stuff coming out. So with this is that extra protection. The second thing it's going to do, if you ever forget to close those black or gray and you have that cap on, well, you'd have to forget all 3. It's just an extra area of protection, and it's super cheap. It's like $19.99. We're going to put the link to this below, as well as all the items that we talk about in this video. We'll put the links below. So I want to thank the official sponsor of this video. It's going to be Liquid Spring. What is Liquid Spring? Well, it is the world's best suspension upgrade for your motorhome. We've had it on our motorhome now almost approaching 2 years. Yep. 2023 will be 2 years. It's absolutely amazing.
It's available as a factory option on Tiffin, on their open road, Rev, Holiday Rambler, and Fleetwood, on most of their gas models, including the Bounder, Southwind, Invicta, and Admiral, Nexus on their Triumph, Rebel, and Wraith, and then Phoenix Cruiser RVs.
Now, if you have a motorhome that it's not available as a factory option, aka a Newmar, like we do, you can get it aftermarket. You can have it installed at the factory or at many other locations that will install it for you. What you're going to want to do, we will recommend, is contact Wayne Wells from Liquid Spring. We will put his information below. Give him a call, ask him any questions. Also ask him when they're going to be having their demo vehicles, where they're going to be at, because what we will tell you, take one out for a free test drive, and then you make a decision from there. Again, if you're looking for the very best suspension upgrade, we love ours. Check out Liquid Spring.
Number 2 upgrade that we made was with our smoke detectors. So we took down the ones that Nelly came with, and we added in smart ones. They are Nest, and a couple good things about them. Number 1, first of all, they light up when you walk into the room. We have those at home too, so we really like that. It kind of gives you a little night light, but also it will alert you if there is smoke or something like that. It will send a message. We'll get a message on our watch and phone.
Correct, yeah, because there's Wi-Fi built in. A couple other features that it has, it is CO and smoke the same, so we have them both in the combined main room and as well as our bedroom.
So the next one is a great one, and we actually use this in conjunction with another item that we'll be telling you about at the end, but this is the Micro Air Easy Starts, and this has been great. So we're going to link a video up above that we did of the installation. I did the installation of the Easy Starts. It's very simple, but it's allowed us to do a couple things. Number 1, we can run one of our ACs off our batteries, and also we're able to run both ACs off 30 amp, which we've utilized quite a bit this season.
Yeah, it definitely makes everything more flexible. Just so you know, you need one Easy Start per AC unit. So if you have 2 AC units, you need 2 like we have. But we do have a discount code. We'll link it below, and you can save yourself a couple of bucks if you're interested in getting one.
If you're enjoying the video so far, we invite you to hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you know when we go live or release new videos. Also, we have a private Facebook group we'd love you to join. It's called Endless RVing, RVers Coming Together. And we have a free monthly newsletter. The link to sign up will be below. The next one, we are so thrilled with this. We love our upgrades that we did this year. This one we've been wanting actually very early on since we had Nelly, and it's a furniture upgrade. So we'll link a video up above. So we replaced one jackknife sofa with trifold. That's what Jason sleeps on now. Jason could not sleep in the jackknife anymore.
You're too tall.
He's like 6'1" now. And then the other side we replaced, put in theater seats, which
with the center console, which is really nice.
Yeah, I mean, we actually now, we never would really sit on our couches. Now we'll actually sit there at night or whatever and just relax and enjoy them. It's been a great upgrade. Yeah,
so like MJ said, we did a video on it. You might be asking, what kind of furniture did we get? We got the Thomas Paine, the Seismic series. We got the Altoona, Toona, not like the fish. And it's almost pretty much a perfect match.
Something just fell on.
Yeah, there's some pine needles falling. It's almost a perfect finish, perfect fit and finish and match to what we have stock. So it looks great, it fits great, and it's really good quality furniture. So one of the biggest upgrades we did this year was we updated our electrical system. Now we did a video talking about it with the full specs and what we have. We'll link it above, but here's the Cliff Notes version. We went from 4 GC2 golf cart batteries to 6 100 amp hour Battle Born lithium batteries. gives us 600 amp hours total right here out on this pull-out tray. Couple advantages: 600 usable amp hours, which is pretty awesome. They charge way faster than any kind of lead acid battery. Also, we saved weight. These only weigh about 30 pounds each versus those golf cart batteries, which were about 67 pounds each. Well, given the power, we were also able to upgrade to a Victron Multiplus II 3000 watt inverter / charger. What does that do? That allows us to run everything off that inverter. What do we mean by that? Our stock setup, we had 2 inverters. We could only run certain things. So we can run the refrigerator, we could run some other things, but there was a lot of outlets we couldn't run. This will run everything in the coach going down the road off of those batteries. So it's a pretty sweet setup. We really, really like it. For the full details, exactly where our setup, we'll put that video link above and you can go and check it out there.
So in the comments below, guys, let us know, do you have any of the upgrades that we did, or what are the upgrades that you have done for 2022? We want to hear. Maybe it's something that we can do.
And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.